Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturalhair here and this is Natural Black Girly. In today's video, I'll be sharing my winter dry season pre-poo routine to retain more moisture post wash day. If you want to see all of that, then definitely keep on watching. Here is everything that is going to be in my pre-poo mix today. I have coconut oil, avocado oil, and Ayurvedic infused hair butter that contains amla, moringa, jojoba oil, coconut oil seal, and other essential oil and Ayurvedic mix. And of course, you have to have an empty application bottle that you're going to pour all your mixture into, then apply it onto your scalp and strand easily. Next, you're going to need a bowl of boiling hot water. Then you're going to scoop just 1 spoon of the hair butter, put it into your measuring cup and keep it inside the boiling hot bowl of water to just sit there and melt. This method is called the double boiler method, and this way the vitamins and the benefits of shea butter and the whole Ayurvedic mix still remains the same, and my hair is able to absorb it very well. While my butter is melting, I went ahead and I poured about 30% of avocado oil, 45% of coconut oil, leaving the shea mix to have 25% out of the whole mix. You can add essential oils if you want, but I kept this simple because the shea butter mix already had essential oils. As you can see, the butter has already melted. I just put in the oil mix into the hot water right now for it to melt. However, the shea mixture contained some beeswax and the beeswax did not melt, so we're going to have to remove it. You will see how I remove it right now. Just use the spoon to scoop them out onto a cotton swab, and that is all. Now they are both melted and hot enough. I'm just going to pour the shea mix into the application bottle and give the mixture a very good shake. Now it's time to apply. My hair has been in this low bun for a few days. I bet it's very dry. And also guys, if you're wondering why I used coconut oil, I know this is like an old popular recipe, but there's a reason why I still use coconut oil only on my hair, and I'm going to explain it. Just keep on watching. So the first step, guys, is to section your hair. Whether your hair is short, long, or medium length, the easiest way for you not to get frustrated while doing your hair is to section your hair. I sectioned my hair into 4 and then detangled each section very lightly. Especially for those ones that were in twist, I just kind of only untwisted, then put them into a big section. In total, I had a section of only 4. Guys, look at how long my hair is getting. This year I didn't think my hair was going to grow long or retain more length because I did lots of hair styling collaboration and hair content, and the more hair content you do, the more chance of breakage you get. But hey, look, my hair is still out here thriving. So it's best if you take this recipe seriously and try it on your hair. You're going to see results, as I'm saying. I already finished sectioning my hair. I did 4, then I divided the 4 into different chunky twists so that I can just do one little section per time. This is our mix here. I'm just going to start applying from my scalp first, then onto the shaft of my hair. Massage it in quite very gently, and then try to make sure my hair absorbs it, even going further to use praying hands method to massage it onto my hair shaft and my ends. Of course, make sure you soak in all that oil onto your ends because your ends are the oldest part of your hair and they need the best love you can give them. Okay, get your ends, never forget that, and also get your scalp. This is great for your scalp. I don't detangle my hair here because oil is not a detangler. I will detangle after the pre-poo before I wash my hair or while I'm deep conditioning my hair, but I always detangle my hair before I wash my hair, because I always wash my hair in twists, and if my hair is already tangled and I wash it in twists, it gets even more tangled. You can check the link in the description to see my full wash day video. I'm just going to be repeating the same process all over my hair, but while you're watching, I'll go ahead and tell you guys why I'm actually using coconut oil. Coconut oil and avocado oil that I used in this video are two of the most penetrating hair oils, because the aim of this Prepoo is for the oils to penetrate into my hair shaft and keep the hair moisturized. As we all know, the season is dry or very cold in some parts of the world, leaving the hair dry in generally. Also, the natural hair oil, which is called the sebum, keeps the hair moisturized and shiny, but due to the coily nature of our hair, it does not flow all the way down to the ends of our hair. So this mixture will get to every part and keep the hair moisturized for longer. Prepoo also has other benefits to the hair, such as adding extra moisture to the dry hair, promotes softer vibrant hair, makes detangling even easier, boosts the effectiveness of deep conditioners, resulting in stronger hair and even less breakage. Coconut oil prevents protein loss, moisturizes the hair, and also prevents breakage, while avocado oil is a great source of vitamin A, E, biotin. Amla is also a very good oil from the herb, of course, that promotes hair growth, thickness, and scalp health. So you see that using this oil combo is actually very good for the hair and scalp all year round, especially this dry season that everyone is looking to keep their hair moisturized for longer. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button. It goes a long way in helping my channel. I'm already done applying all the oil. As you can see, my hair is very shiny. I'm going to cover my hair now with a heat cap, because I'm not going to leave this overnight. You can leave this overnight so that your hair can soak in all the goodness. I didn't detangle my hair, but I had some short hair, and this is how much of the hair I shedded. This is also the remaining oil mix, so you can see a little goes a long way. You can definitely use this to seal your hair or moisturize your hair later. I packed my hair, put on the shower cap, and also put on the heat cap for only 30 minutes. After that, I continued with the shower cap for about 4 hours. This is what my hair looks like after the heat cap and the shower cap. My hair looks a bit heavier, and as you can see, the texture is a bit different from how it was before I actually covered it, showing that my hair actually absorbed the product and my hair is no more dripping wet of oil. It's just oily, which I'm going to wash off in the next step that you are going to be seeing. But yeah, I really love this method. Of course, I washed my hair, detangled it, deep conditioned my hair, and also moisturized and put my hair in a protective style. These steps are very important if you're looking to keep your hair moisturized this dry season. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.